Ever wondered how to whip up the perfect Eggs Benedict at home? Imagine the joy of creating this delicious breakfast classic right in your kitchen. Well, dream no more. Today, unravel the secrets of crafting this culinary delight. Start by gathering the ingredients. For the uninitiated, Eggs Benedict requires English muffins, ham or bacon, eggs, vinegar, and the star of the show, the hollandaise sauce. For the sauce, you'll need butter, egg yolks, lemon juice, cayenne pepper, and a pinch of salt. Begin by toasting the English muffins to a golden brown. A toaster or a hot pan can do the job perfectly. Meanwhile, heat up the ham or bacon in a pan until it's nice and crispy. Remember, it's all about the texture. While the ham or bacon is sizzling away, poach the eggs. Add a dash of vinegar to a pot of simmering water and gently slide in the eggs. Cook them until the whites are set, but the yolks remain runny. About 3 to 4 minutes should do the trick. Now the hollandaise sauce. Melt the butter in a pan. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks. Slowly pour the melted butter into the egg yolks, stirring constantly. Add in the lemon juice, cayenne pepper, and salt. Keep whisking until the sauce thickens to a creamy consistency. Assemble your Eggs Benedict. Place the crispy ham or bacon on the toasted English muffins. Top them with the poached eggs, and then generously drizzle the hollandaise sauce over the top. Voila! Your homemade Eggs Benedict is ready to be savored. As a quick recap, toast the English muffins. Cook the ham or bacon until crispy. Poach the eggs in vinegar-infused simmering water. Make the hollandaise sauce by combining melted butter with egg yolks, lemon juice, cayenne pepper, and salt. Assemble by placing the ham or bacon on the muffins, topping with the poached eggs, and drizzling the sauce over the top. So the next time the craving for Eggs Benedict hits, remember, you are equipped with the knowledge to make it right at home. No need for a fancy brunch outing. After all, nothing beats the satisfaction of creating a gourmet dish with your own hands. Now go forth and conquer the kitchen.